Hi everybody, and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome on board. Today I'll be showing you how to unlock any phone from any carrier through a simple and free method. This will work for any brand, including Samsung, iPhone, LG, Motorola, Huawei, or any other. Follow my exact steps from this video, and after that, you will have a phone that will work with any SIM card from any carrier in the world. Before we begin, I'd like to mention a small disclaimer. The tool I'm about to show you is 100% legal, safe, and free. We won't use any type of hacking or illegal bypassing method to unlock your phone. Moreover, the phone will not suffer any harm or damage in any way. This tool will also help you get your phone unlocked, regardless of whether it's currently under an active contract with your service provider. With that said, let's start. The first step is to insert an unsupported SIM card into your phone. This simply means using a SIM card from a carrier that is different from your original one. Once you power up your phone, you'll receive a message asking for an unlock code. And here's the best part. You can easily get your unlock code for free at useanysim.com. Trust me, I've used this website countless times, and the success rate is nearly 100%. All you have to do is enter the unlock code and boom! Your phone is now fully unlocked and ready to be used with any carrier you choose. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Now, you can enjoy the freedom of using your phone on any carrier without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to the restrictions and fees that come with being tied to a specific carrier and hello to a world of possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can catch our next tutorial. We've got more amazing tips and tricks coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in and unlocking the potential of your phone. Bye for now.